Hey guys, Norm with Bearable Traders. It is Friday, May 3rd, 2019. What that date means to me is it is my 1-year trade-anniversary. It was 1 year ago today that I was called in the office when I wasn't expected to be there because there were client meetings. I went in and I knew it was coming. I had seen it coming for a couple of years. Laid me off with a group of other people, and I came home, didn't think twice about it, got my computer set up and started trading within a couple of hours. So it has been a hell of a journey. Ups, downs that everybody goes through, but it's a milestone I'm proud to have accomplished. And I want to thank everybody that's in the Bearable Traders community, whether they're members, moderators, of course, Andrew, everybody for making it possible and being on that journey with me. So without further ado, I overtraded a little bit today, which I really haven't been doing a whole lot of recently, but it wasn't anything crazy. Not a great day. I didn't see a bunch of great moves. I had two decent trades. I'll show them off, you'll see I got chopped up in Apple a little bit and then just got stopped out on a couple others. Anyway, Square here had this sell-off at the open, and I usually don't trade Square. I don't really like how it trades. I don't like the spread, the choppiness, but it looked better than it does on most days to me, and it's what stuck out. So it sold off, then it came and popped through VWAP. I waited for a pullback. I mentioned that I was looking for it possibly long. Waited for a pullback, went ahead and took it on this pullback, and then I took a small size because I needed to give it a really wide stop. I added to my position a little bit more up here when I was convinced. I moved my stop up, and it still didn't hit my stop down here. So it went ahead and ran. When it started to get, this looked toppy to me at the time, and I went ahead and took it all off. You can see on the 15, it's essentially right where I got out of it. Yeah, there was another 20 cents left in it or something, but oh well. So that, that was a decent trade. Twitter was called out in the room, and I tried to take this, and I could have had a little scalp on it, but it was barely anything, and it started to go down below VWAP, so I got stopped out of that one. NVDA, I knew that this was not a real great probability trade. It looked like it was selling off here to me, all these wicks and writing this moving average down. I took it right at VWAP with a tight stop, and I got out of it. Luckily I did, because as you can see, it went for a long ride up here all the way to previous day close. And then Apple chopped me up a little bit, which I made a few bucks on this first trade, and this second trade, this bounce was okay, and I just realized this is chopped. That's when I went on, was trading the other things. I came back to it a little bit later, and I saw this wedge forming, and I saw it writing this 50 moving average on the 5-minute chart. So I don't have my pin, but you can see this kind of flat top up here. I apologize that I don't have my pin. And then this bottom starting to drift up. So this moving average gave a pretty well-defined risk area. And so I went ahead and I took my position I tried it once for a pop here, and this just wasn't a good entry. So I closed out at VWAP. It held this once again, and I wanted to get it a little bit closer, but it popped up quickly. I got in right at VWAP this time, let it ride. I was like, SPY looks like it's trending up. The chart here looks like it's trending up. So I went ahead and took that, and I let it go. It was actually on from 11:25 market time to 1:45 market time, so quite a while, but I ended up getting, out of this at 211.51 after this weakness came in. So it ended up being a pretty decent trade. Not the best trading day ever, but it's Friday, and I haven't seen a whole lot of great moves myself. So anyway, thanks once again to everybody for being a part of the last year with me. I look forward to the next year with you guys. Hopefully I can give back some of what I've learned over my first year to y'all, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Trade safe.